My name is Abwa Kelly Bright, a high school graduate from Heart of Life, Mancon, and I'm also a hardware maintenance. I joined the Let's Talk Tech training program from a friend who referred me to this program, and it has been so amazing from the very first day. Truthfully, I did not want to attend, but I did not also want my friends' effort to go to waste, and I must say it has been amazing so far. What I've gained, web development, I've gained skills also in photography, AI, music composition, graphic design. I've enhanced my skills in graphic design as well, and not only about the training, the technology, but I've also been exposed to category of people, been exposed in a community of different people that I've never met before in my life. Yes, and it has been so awesome. It has boosted my confidence, it has boosted my morale, myself, and I've become time conscious as well. And adding to this, we went for internship at GASA, and our CEO was very welcoming. He taught us a lot of self-work. From there, we had to put what we have learned, and although it was challenging, but we did our best and succeeded, and we have made it so far to this level. And I want to thank Mr. Graf. I want to thank for making this possible. Without your team, it wouldn't have possible for us to be here. It's a rare opportunity, and I encourage others to come in next year, because it's not only about the book. It's not going to take you anywhere, but you should add something to it as well that is going to boost your morale, and you can stand somewhere and also say, yeah, I know this, I know that. And thank you to the Let's Talk Tech.